The Most Beautiful Thing, Part 3.
So, the next page, the look on his face more confused than miserable. So his face, okay, so his face is more confused, okay, with like sad, more than sadness. His face is more confused. He looked at the beloved familiar face of his mother. So now he is looking to the mother. Her clear gaze met his with honesty. Child is honest child, and the child gaze means continuous look to the mother. He trusted her. Child trusted the mother. He could tell her, Ma, you told me to make the most, okay. The child, he gulped, means when the child is unable to speak, when the child is crying, he just breaks the words, okay. So like the child is unable to speak the whole sentence here. She waited. You said the most beautiful thing in the world. Now the child said all the things, and she asked, her face still serious and inquiring. His face was inquiring, wanted to know more, that what my child is trying to say. And here Ramchand burst into tears again and wailed out means cried with a long high pitched sound, means loudly. He was crying louder. I don't know what is the most beautiful thing in the world. So the child is saying that he does not know the most beautiful thing in the world is. She didn't laugh at him. Yes, of course, it should be the expression. The mother should not laugh when the child fails. And she never knew how grateful her son was to her for the rest of life for not laughing. And she did not know that at that time she was not laughing, and how the whole life this child can trust on the mother, okay. Like if we laugh on the child, if we laugh on someone's failure, so the person would not believe on us, the person would not trust on us. So we should not laugh, we should be serious on that moment. Not even speaking or moving at that moment, she hugged him lightly and stroked his head gently. So she is pampering the child. Ramchand's father came in then, saw Ramchand's tear-stained face, and to his surprise, also saw tears glistening in his wife's eyes. So Ramchand's father also noticed that Ramchand's tears are also there, okay, stained face, okay, like his mother cleaned the tears, okay, and his mother is also tears in her eyes. What happened? He asked, and she didn't say nothing. He just fell down. So at this time, the mother never says suddenly that this child is crying, not complaining of the child. The mother is very serious and saying nothing happened, he fell down, okay. With complete perfect composure, she told him. Composure means the feeling of being calm and confident. Simply the mother said that he just fell down. Ramchand looked at his father apprehensively, his own face tense, the tears dried, the lump of dough now dusty, its surface drying and forming little cracks. So apprehensively means worryingly, means with worryingly. His face was also tense. and his tears dried, and now this dough is dusty. Just because of keeping in our hand, it becomes dusty little bit, okay, and it also dry with the surface, okay, and cracks also happen here. His father looked straight into his son's eyes and said, "But I don't know that either." So father just said to the child that if you don't know how to make this, how to make the most beautiful thing, that also I don't know. The father is showing him he is also just like his son. The silence of his mother, the simple truth in his father's voice. So when the child is fail in some to achieve his goal, so how the father gives him positive reply is shown here. This were things Ramchand never forgot. So this dialogue, this thing like that, to make the most beautiful thing that I also don't know, even I don't know, this thing Ramchand never forget in his life. There was perfect peace in the room after that moment. Ramchand didn't know where that lump of dough went. So Ramchand now forget where is his lump of dough, and Ramchand started being normal with the parents. It was forgotten by everyone. So this failure thing is forgotten by everybody. So his parents are not complaining or not shouting on the child that why can't you make this, okay, but they are motivating the child. His mother washed his face and hands, dried them gently with a soft cotton cloth, and gave him some warm milk to drink. Now when the child is crying for a while, so after that when we wash the child's face, so the child become fresh. So this Ramchand also become fresh, and Ramchand's mother gave him warm milk to drink. His father brought him a sugar-coated biscuit from the shop. Ramchand knew it was one of the most expensive ones in the shop. So this is expensive biscuit in his shop, okay, sugar-coated. You might have also eaten Little Hearts biscuit, like it is also sugar-coated. So after that, nobody mentioned the incident again, and after the shop closed, dinner and bedtime were just the same. So after this incident, nobody again repeated or nobody laughed on Ramchand's failure. कि हो Ramchand, you couldn't make it, कितना मज़ा आया था. Nobody has repeated it, and it was normal. And after that the shop is closed, and then dinner time and bedtime, it was same. But from that day onwards, Ramchand loved his parents much more. So just because of one silence and seriousness, the child started putting trust on the parents. And this is the lesson for parents too, that when the child is not achieving the goal, we should motivate. We should say that when we were children, we were child, we were also doing the same thing. So it happens, it's normal. We should not make it issue. We should not make any kind of issue and make the child responsible for something happened wrong. We should say that it's general, it's common, it's normal, it's okay. So all is well. We should motivate the child, and like that the child starts putting trust on us, and we can we can be happy. So I hope you understood this prose, the most beautiful thing, and you also learned the lesson, moral from this story. I hope you all will perform your question answer session well, and you will be active in questioning session. And if you will be having any doubt, you can give comment. If you want to give feedback, you can send me in the comment box. Motivate to me also for making the more videos for you, and best of luck. Thank you. Goodbye.